Today we'll be looking at binary system. Firstly, what is binary system? Binary system is a way of representing number using only two-digit number. And what are these two-digit number? These two-digit number are 0 and 1. I repeat, binary system is a way of representing number using only two-digit number, and these two-digit number are 0 and 1. In this lesson, we'll be checking on the rules that guides binary system. And instead of calling it binary system, you can also call it base 2. So we'll be checking on the rules that guides binary system. We have 4 rules. The first one is additional rule. The second one is subtraction rule. The third one is multiplication rule, and the fourth one is division rule. Now let's start with the first rule in binary system. The first rule is addition rule. Addition rule. In addition rule, when you see 0 plus 0 is equals to 0. And 0 plus 1 is equals to 1. 1 plus 0 is equals to 1. And 1 plus 1 in binary is equals to 10. Or you can put your base 2 here. That is 10. 1 plus 1 is equals to 10. And when you see 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equals to, in binary, is 11 base 2. In binary, it's 11 base 2. So right now, let's take it for example, we have this. They give you a question like this: add 111 base 2 to 110 base 2. To do this, it's very easy. What do? You bring this value out, 1 1. So the next one is 0 1 1. So 1 plus 0 in binary, I told you, is 1. 1 plus 1 in binary is 10. So what do you write? You write 0 and then carry 1. 1 plus 1 plus that 1 you carry give you what? 11. Base what? Base 2. This is our answer when using the rules of addition. So now let's go to subtraction rule. We need to consider all this. 0 minus 0 is equals to 0. 1 minus 0 is equals to 1. And 1 minus 1 is equals to 0. And when you have 0 minus 1 is equals to what? So what do we do here? We are going to borrow something in order to get this in subtraction rule. So now let's consider this question. You are asked to subtract 101 from 1 1 or base 2. So what do you do here? 101 minus 1 1. 1 minus 1, according to the rule, is 0. 0 minus 1, what do? You borrow 1. You borrow 1 from here. This one here, you put it here. This one will become what? It will give you 10. So 10 minus 1 is what? Is 1. This is base 2. This is our final answer. In multiplication rule, when you have 0 times 0, it will give you 0. 0 times 1, it will give you 0. 1 times 0, it will give you 0. And 1 times 1, it will give you 1. That is multiplication rule. Now, for example, we have, what do? 101 times 1, 1. 1 times 1 is 1, right? 1 times 0 is what? 0. 1 times 1 is 1. Check the other one. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 1 is 1. So what do? You add these two together. You can put your 0 here. You add all these together. 1 plus 0 is what? 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. And this is 1. Put the 1 down. So base what? Base 2. That is this. So now let's check the division rule. In division rule, when you have 0 divided by 0 to give you 0, and 1 divided by 0, it will give you 0, and 1 divided by 1, it will give you 1. So that is in division rule. For example, you are asked to divide this binary, that is 110 base 2 divided by 10 base 2. First method to use in dividing this, that is in binary form. What is, just draw your shape like this. This small number, you bring it outside, then the big one, you put it inside. So how many 10 can you see in what? In 11 or in 110? But it's too much. In 11, you will see 1. Remember 1. So bring the 1 here. How many 10 can you see in 10? You will see how many? You will see 1. So this is our answer. Our answer is 11 base 2. Now, second method used in dividing this is to convert it to decimal. We are going to convert all this to decimal. So let's start. We start with this one before we come to this. This is 110 base 2. So we have 110 base 2. So the first thing, you label it. This is 0, this is 1, and this is 2. Are you following? So you multiply it. This is 1 times 2 raised to power of 2. That's how we do it. 1 times 2, you multiply it with the base, then raise it to this power, raised to power of 2, plus, now the second one, 1 times 2 raised to power of, what power is here? Is 1, plus this, the next one is what? 0. So 0 times 2 raised to power of what? 0. Now the second one divided by what? We have 10. So just label it. This is 1, 0, and 1. So we have 1 times 2. 1 times 2 raised to power of 1 plus 0 times 2 raised to power of what? 0. So 1 times 2 raised to power of 2. 2 raised to power of 2 means 2 times 2. So, and 2 times 2 will give us 4. So 4 times 1 is 4. Plus 1 times 2 raised to power of 1. 2 raised to power of 1 means 2 times 1. 2 in 1 places. And 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 1 will still give us 2. Plus this one, 2 raised to power of 0 is 1. Anything raised to power of 0 will give us 1. So 1 times 0 is 0. So divided by 1 times 2 raised to power of 1. 2 raised to power of 1 is 2. 2 times 1 is 2. So we have 0 times 2 raised to power of 0. I told you anything raised to power of 0 will give us 1. And 1 times 0 is 0. So plus 0. So 4 plus 2 is what? 6. Because this is 0. 2 divided by 2 plus 0 is 2. Don't forget, we have this one we converted it to decimal. And when we are converting it to decimal means base 10. So we put our base 10 here. So equals to 6 divided by 2 will give us 3. 3 base 10. So now don't forget our previous example in addition rule. I told you 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equals to what? Is equals to what? Is equals to 11. That is in binary. So to convert this 3 to binary, in binary it means 11 base 2. It means 11 base 2. And if you get, maybe you solve, they gave you a question and you solve it and you got 2 base 10. 2 base 10. I told you in binary, when you have 2, to convert 2 to binary, it means 1 0. Don't forget, I told you 1 plus 1 equals to 1 0. Hope you understand. So if it is 2, that means it's 1 0. While if it is 3, that means it's 11 base 2. That is what we got in the first method. So that's same thing we got in the second method. It's either you use this method or you use this method in solving your binary system.